Opening your RAV4 key fob, a step-by-step guide. First, find the small indentation or access slot on the side of your RAV4 key fob. Insert a non-metallic tool, like a plastic pry bar or guitar pick, into the access slot. Gently pry the case open along the seam, avoiding metal tools to prevent damage. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting its orientation. Place the new battery positive side up. Snap the case back together firmly until it clicks, ensuring the mechanical key is seated. Test the fob after reassembly to ensure it works properly. To ensure a successful battery replacement, work on a soft surface to avoid losing any small parts. Discharge static electricity by touching metal before handling the circuit board. Toyota certified mechanics suggest always using the access slot to maintain the integrity of the fob and prevent voiding any warranties. A common issue reported by owners of 2019-2022 RAV4 hybrids is fob failure due to moisture. Ensure your hands are dry and the fob is sealed correctly after replacement. Future trends involve smart key systems integrated with apps, potentially phasing out physical keys. Expect phone as key technology via NFC or Bluetooth and biometric unlocking in future RAV4 models by 2030. While DIY replacements can save money, incorrectly prying the case or using metal tools can cause damage. If unsure, consider professional servicing.